case briefs, and so much more. LS Data's got what you're looking for.
The United States Court of Appeals for the District of Columbia Circuit presided over a noteworthy environmental case in 1999. American Trucking Associations, Inc. vs. United States Environmental Protection Agency, EPA. The central point of conflict was the EPA's role in enforcement of the Clean Air Act, with the court grappling with the balance between protecting the environment and considering the nuanced impacts of pollutants. At the root of the lawsuit was a belief that the EPA must apply both the positive and negative effects of pollutants when creating air quality measures, as demanded by the Clean Air Act. The responsibilities of the EPA, including the development of necessary ozone criteria and the extent it could enforce new ozone standards, were particularly under scrutiny. The court's decision held significant implications for the EPA's operations. The court brought into question the EPA's interpretation of the Clean Air Act, ruling their approach as a violation of the nondelegation doctrine and thus unconstitutional. It made the firm assertion that cost considerations should not bear weight in the EPA's setting of air quality standards and dismissed several related claims. Furthermore, the ruling also argued against the validity of the particular indicators the EPA used to measure coarse particulate matter, branding it as arbitrary and capricious. The case was sent back to the EPA, instructing the agency to reinterpret the Clean Air Act in a way that meets constitutional requisites, and to modify the disputed National Ambient Air Quality Standards, NAAQS, in light of this revised understanding. The court also revoked the contested coarse particulate matter standards, but let the new ozone standards stand, albeit without enforcement. In a subsequent move advocating for judicial economy, the court announced its retention of jurisdiction over the remanded cases. It called for detailed discussions surrounding potential remedies for the fine particulate matter standards, signaling its intention to stay involved in the process towards a firm and fair resolution. The court's decision in the American Trucking Associations v. EPA case thus marked a significant juncture in the ongoing debate over environmental regulations and protections.
Case briefs, and so much more. LS Data's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.